These are the ingredients I used for making buttered shrimps with garlic. First, I removed some unnecessary parts of each shrimps, then wash them just like that. I melted some slices of butter when the pan heated up. Then, I added the garlic, which I smashed earlier, and when its color is caramelized, I added all the shrimps. Mix them like that. Then, I added a little salt and soy sauce. Mix them well, just like that. Let it be covered for a few minutes. Then, to make the flavor of soy sauce and salt blended well, I mix them again just like that. When it's cooked evenly and the water evaporated, we can now serve it.